This Iowa Minute is brought to you by the Iowa Farm Bureau.
You see the labels everywhere, but what does it really mean to be organic?
The USDA says certified organic food can't be grown with most man-made chemicals. The farm has to have regular inspections, but most noticeably, it costs a lot more.
Side by side, nutritionally and food safety standpoint, organic and conventional are equivalent.
Boone farmer Greg Reinhardt grows some organic and conventional produce for the downtown Des Moines Farmers Market. I asked him why he doesn't go all organic.
It is more work to grow things organically, but you have more weeds and you have more insects with organic production. But as far as taste, I can't really taste the difference.
So no matter what you choose, just know Iowa farmers are here, happy to provide you a safe, nutritious choice. With your Iowa Minute, I'm Lori John.